Hi everyone, my name is Nixa, and I am going to give a tutorial on the in-browser editing app called Pixlr. The reason I'm giving a tutorial on this editing program is because not everyone, it seems, can download GIMP or Photoshop. For whatever reason, their computers won't allow it. I had this problem the other day, so we had to find another program that would work. So we're going to use Pixlr. So to get started, we're going to go to apps.pixlr.com/editor. Once you've clicked enter, or not clicked, hit enter, you're going to be brought up to this screen. So what we want to do is create a new image. I'm going to call it tutorial. Now this is where you would choose your dimensions for your image. You'd want 700 by 700. For right now, I'm going to pick 800 by 600. So once that's done, we're going to go to File. We're going to go to Open Image, and we're going to pick our background. Make sure the background that you are choosing to work with is clear and concise and is not blurry. If it's a tad blurry and can be fixed by sharpening, then that's good. But don't pick something that's going to be very, very blurry. It's not going to look good, and it's going to make your overall image that you're working with look shoddy. Okay, so once you've got your background up, we are going to get our high-res no BG in. So we're going to go to Layer, and we're going to click Open Image as Layer. So then you're going to pick your screening that you want to work with, and we're going to click Open. Now as you can see, she didn't pop up, and there's a reason why. She's too big. Normal PNG formats that are our screenies are 2048 by 2048, so they're going to be really big. So you just click this little mouse and you're just going to drag her over. Now, as most of you can tell, or who maybe had gotten a chance to try out Photoshop, Pixlr is like Photoshop in many ways with its setup. Problem is that you can't do some of the things that you do in Photoshop, like in a separate window you can just drag the person over to the other window and it just pops right in. You can't do that. In this, you've got to go to Layer and do that. So once you get your layer set up, you might want to resize. Now, here's the key thing with resizing. You're going to first want to zoom out, and I'll show you why after I'm done with resizing her. So to resize her, you're going to Edit and Free Transform. There is no resize tool in this godforsaken program, and you gotta be careful with this, because if you don't do it right, she's gonna look either too skewed fat wise, is what I'm gonna call it, or width wise, or just gonna look like itty skinny too thick. I don't want that. So keeping her dimension there. Alright. So now I'm going to show you why. You gotta make sure you resize her just right. Ta-da! No legs. Whatever was missing, like for any of whatever you're adding to your image for editing purposes, whatever is not inside this box is going to get cut off. So that's one of the big things you gotta watch out for in this editing program. So now we're going to go back to 100%. And no, I need to go back to 80. And that works. Okay. Hey, work with me. I only have 10 minutes to do it. Stop this. I'm not trying to rush you through this, but the screen program I'm using that allows me to record everything only gives me 10 minutes, so I gotta try to wrap this up in 2 minutes. Where's that at? There we go. Okay, so once you've done that, we are going to sharpen this layer. So we're going to go to Filter, and we're going to sharpen. Wow, that does not look good. Do that. Weird. Okay. Next up, we are going to adjust the brightness and contrast, and I'll show you why. If you adjust it, it hides whatever to sharpen it, and it also makes it look good. So once you've done that, we are going to add text. Okay, so for right now, I'm going to type my name, and then I'm going to click, let's see here. Where's my Scriptina font? Have it? Okay, no, I did not want to use that font. So, I'm just going to click OK. Nope. Well, I did that. Okay, fine. Go back up. We're going to go to Billable Slash Caps. Where is it? Okay. And then we're going to change the font size. My usual font is not in here, so I have to use it twice. And then, when choosing font, we'll put it right there. And it didn't do the brightness and contrast. Why did it not do that? Okay, fix that. Okay, so if you want to do any additional effects, you can. But the problem is that, like I said, I think I said that this program's a lot like Photoshop. But the problem is that it doesn't have all the nice effects. Photoshop, you'll have 3 different little bars that you can adjust to. This only has 1. Most of these effects are only going to have 1 little bar. And so you can't have the maximized effect, so to speak, of getting to decide how you want to look, how you want your edit to look. So once you've got your edit done, you've got it all placed about, as far as it stands, I would not recommend this program, but for people who can't edit in Photoshop or GIMP and need something to edit on, I would use this. You can't really shadow in here. I mean, you can, but you can't. I'll just give a quick look. How much time do I have? Okay, crap, I got 2 minutes left. Shoot. I'm really not liking this. I'm not liking rushing through this. Okay, so hide this layer. And this will be your shadow layer. We're going to go to brightness and contrast, and we're going to change it white. Where's my paint bucket? I'll just do white. Okay. What's that? Woohoo! Okay, move. Oops. Let's move this in. It's not exactly colored like that, but you want it to have a, like, maybe grayscale. I should have left it. But that's how you do that. Then you go to File, Save, and congratulations, your Pixlr edit is done.